Decided to take out the oil canister. Check that out. Talk about a toxic waste dump, huh? Whoo! Put that down somewhere. There we go. So the canister looks like it's a couple of U-bolts that take it to the intake right over the exhaust. Isn't that fascinating? Fascinating. I'm gonna start parts into tubs. That's next.